In a quiet forest, snow falls softly around a lonely cabin. Warm light glows gently through a frosted window. Inside, small hands begin a simple, cozy ritual. Flour drifts down like soft winter snow. Dough is mixed slowly, calm and steady. Outside, the snowfall continues its quiet dance. Gentle kneading, a soft, comforting rhythm. Little hands shape something imperfect but joyful. The fire crackles, warm and steady. Carefully, the dough rests inside the oven. A quiet pause, watching snow through the glass. Steam rises softly from a warm cup. The oven opens, glowing with golden warmth. Fresh bread, soft, warm, and alive with comfort. A first bite, simple, warm happiness shared. The forest watches quietly from afar. By the fire, everything feels safe and still. The bread rests in peaceful silence. Candlelight flickers gently in the night. The cabin glows softly beneath falling snow.